Yo, what's up guys? It's me. And today I'm back with another Lego video. Last time you saw me teaching how to build a monument building, and now I'm going to show you my big set that I created by imagination. This is not a real set. I call it Welcome to Bricksburg. Okay, so let's take a closer look. Okay, so sorry about that. So as you guys can see, there's a police station here since I drew my marker, and there's the wheel for a cactus catch, and inside here you can see the lights. There's red and blue, and here this is some sort of escape pod, and this is actually a car place. There's like the car, but it's not that much, because I'll explain it to you later why the town is kind of junk. But this is an escape pod. It's an actually cool play feature. You can just like take it off. Actually, guys, sorry, it's not a play feature. You can't really take it off, but you can if you want, but I recommend be really careful because it might break. Okay, anyways, back. So as you can see here, it's an angel I drew, but it's a Greek god looking. And if you like inside here, so inside here there's a play feature. It's a Titanic. You can actually move this back and forth, but I guess you do not. But anyways, here's the house. So in the house you can open the doors like this. Here's a Stark symbol. It's for the lights. And then here, this is Cloud Cuckoo Land. As you can see, it's really colorful and everything. There's a door you can open. These tires represent the DJ music playing. This is the movie theaters, and there's the fence upon it. And here, this is another house for Cloud Cuckoo Land, and it's really red and dark blue, lightful. And this is a monument building. So anyways, the last thing is, ta-da, the fortress. The fortress is the biggest of all, other than the Cloud Cuckoo Land and the junk town, even though it's not that decorative. As you can see, I drew some spray painting look. Like, there's like a mirror here. Like, yeah, see, it's really big, and this actually has some really good weight if you carry it. And here in the back, so here's a telescope, and here's some mountains representing, and this is where weapons and guns would be. These are the stairs, but I recommend do not put a minifigure on this. It might break. And you can't take it out because down there it's deep and you might break other creations. And this is where the theater would actually be. And this is like some ghost representing the movie. And last but not least, the answer, which I was going to tell. The reason Bricksburg is, I call it Bricksburg, because in this side it's a junk town, and on the left side, it's mostly colorful and decorative for Cloud Cuckoo Land, like over here. And then 3 is the fortress, so that's why I call it Bricksburg. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and share and give this a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you want to see more videos, check out my channel. See you guys later. Bye!